Long before the roads, before the light, Iduana Vanua, born of the river's light. Rewa flows slow, carrying names. Na itukutuku makawa whispered in flames. Waivou na yavutu, where the first feet stood. Vanua tubu, kina, bula, dodonu. Danudanu na yavusa, rooted in soil. Blood of the land, sweat of the toil.
Na qele, vosa, na rogoca. Every footprint the spirits remember. From generation to generation we stand, united by faith, by Vanua, by hand.
Waivou, na yalo ni Rewa. Vanua ni lotu, Vanua ni veivakadeitaki, dina. From the river to the sky we rise. Sega ni yali, our story survives. Waivou, stand tall and strong. Na itovo makawa sega ni coko. Past, present, future in one breath we sing. Na Vanua tabu, forever our king. Chiefs spoke softly but their words were law. Veivakadeitaki Vanua, respect and our way. Matakali bound by land and name. Toka, keeping history's flame. Drums in the night, lali calling home. Sevu sevule, yakona form, lotu brought light. But culture stay, navakaturaga, never to fade.
Floods may rise, winds may test, but Waivou hearts beat stronger than the rest. Sega ni yalo, we rebuild together, tomorrow follows.
Waivou, na yalo ni Rewa. Vanua ni dina, Vanua ni vosa.
From the elders' voice to the children's cry.
Sega ni karawa na noda itovo ni bula. So when the river speaks, say our name. Waivou Village, forever the same. History written in land and soul. Danudanu, Vanua, our eternal home.